Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a TikTok with Canva. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, we want to open up canva.com. You're going to need a Canva account if you don't already have one. Then at the top under the search bar, we want to search for TikTok. I'll click on search for TikTok right here. I'm going to click on where it says Canva templates, and you can either choose a pre-made template or create your own. I'm going to go ahead and create my own TikTok like so. Now let's say I wanted to create a TikTok about nature and meditation. What I'm going to do is go to pexels.com. I'll come over to the videos tab right here and search for nature. We have all these nature videos that we can use. I like Pexels because it's royalty free, so you can use all these videos and pictures for free. Let's say I want to download this one. You can see that I have it downloaded right here. Next, I'm going to drag it onto my project here, and it's going to paste the video right here. We want to adjust this video so that it fits the entire screen. Let's go ahead and modify these edges so we can bring it all the way up like so. Now we can see that our video is fitting the entire screen, and it's moving. Let's say we want to add some effects to the video. We can click on Edit, and we can choose to adjust the filter. If we want to pick from one of these filters, we can go ahead and do that. They also give us the option to adjust the volume. We can also adjust the playback speed. Let's say we want it to go at 1.25x speed. We can do that, and now it's moving faster. We can also loop the video so that it plays on repeat if we want. Maybe we want to add some text overlay onto this video. We can go to Text and add a text box. Let's say we write top 5 nature spots like so. We want to make this text a little bit bigger. So what I'm going to do is click on the text and then click on Effects. Let's go ahead and add a background. We also want to make the text larger, so I'll increase the font size like so and drag it up to the top here. We can adjust the transparency of the background as well. We can also give the text a curved shape if we want, but I'm going to leave it flat for now. Now we have a good setup for a TikTok video that we can go ahead and export by clicking the share button at the top right. Then we click on download. So that's basically how you can create a TikTok with Canva. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.